Hi, this is Sean Chua. I'm the Master Trainer for Chemistry in Venus Education. Many parents and students know me as the invited book author for both the O and A Levels Chemistry 10-year series. In 1.5 months' time, your child will be taking the O-Level Pure Chemistry Paper 2 written exam, which has a massive 50% weightage. Doing very well in it will definitely help them to secure a distinction for chemistry. Is your child ready for it? Or is he struggling like most of the students when it comes to paper 2 written exam? And until now, they still have no clues and ideas on how to score full marks for each question. Through our 16 years of research, we found that students are not equipped with the essential skills to score full marks for questions in the written paper. Usually, suggested model answers will be given by the school teachers or the home tutors, and if no one actually highlight to the students what went wrong and how come they did not get the full marks in the questions, they're going to make the mistakes over and over again in the next chemistry exam. In fact, a lot of marks were usually lost due to the usage of wrong keywords or the lack of keywords in their answers. And just imagine if your child is aware of the importance of keywords and is able to give the examiners what they want to see in the chemistry exam. This is going to definitely help them to push up their chemistry grades with extra marks they're going to get. I'm so excited to share with you that in October we will be conducting the Right Keywords workshop. This is an exam-oriented workshop, and the focus is to help students to consolidate their concepts and apply it to questions with the use of the right and correct set of keywords. Instead of loading your child with more and more exam questions, which is proven to be ineffective unless you know what you're doing, this workshop prepares your child for paper 2 written exam in a more strategic manner. To further help your child to ace his chemistry, I will be providing WhatsApp support, and I will be personally answering their questions and clarifying their doubts on a daily basis until their last paper. For those who want a complete solution, we will be having a Score 100% MCQ workshop coming up also, and this will help them to score full marks for their upcoming Paper 1 MCQ exam. Seats are extremely limited for both workshops, and do scroll down to the bottom of the page and register today. I look forward to seeing your child at the workshop. Thank you and see you.